we got a bunch of blind bags and we're gonna see what we get. And this has a mystery on it. I don't know. And we got some Barbie stickers on it. We have this.
What is this? Secret Crush Minis.
Secret Crush Minis.
Yes. These are the ones you could get. I wanted this one, this one, this one, this one, this one.
I wanted this one and this.
Anything but cars. I don't really, or the baby boy, right?
Yeah, but you like this one?
Yeah. So we have.
We have.
No! This one's cute. Though. Look at her.
Look at him.
Okay, now what do you want to open?
And look, what is they don't come with names. We just have to.
Is it Vader?
I know this one's Lightning and Cool.
I know that's Lightning McQueen. Raider, Vader. Cute.
And this is not staying up.
It's okay. I think it's because it's a little wrinkly over there.
Just put in the other hand. That works better.
Okay, let's see what Elsa in the next bag is gonna be Elsa's?
No. Elsa's last.
The cotton candy girl. Okay. What? Ooh, that's cute. Cherries.
Card fell out.
It's okay. Let me see the card.
Look, the card open.
What does it say? Oh, it gives you kind of the stuff. Okay, what else? Is there anything else in there?
What is the other stuff?
What other stuff?
Oh,
Yeah, she has it on.
she just comes with one thing, guys.
Oh.
I think
Well, that's weird if the other one's gonna come with two things and this just comes with one. Maybe because it's so big. This is a little
that's it.
cute. Cotton candy only got one thing. Okay, it's Elsa's turn. What does she get?
This
Oh, wait.
is like a lot.
Oh. She got an outfit! What is that? Oh, this is so cute. It's a shirt. It's like a crop top.
So this is how she looks like. She has her dress on, but it looks cute because it looks like a skirt and there's a top on this. But look, it's the dress. So let's move everybody down because we're gonna about to hammer some stuff.
Ooh. It's not gonna totally come off because this is kind of hard to get off, so
So look, you could just move.
it's so soft.
We could keep this, but if we smash it, we can't.
Smash it.
Why?
Smash it. Show me what you got. Get it.
So if you, there's a way to do it easily. If you put it on the middle, you can.
You think you can get the middle? Harder! Keep going. Ooh, so cute.
You get to put in her hair.
Do we?
Yeah. I got the packaging.
Oh.
Oh, you put in her hair. What do you want?
Let's put it on her hair first, and then we'll make the necklace. So this is... Look how cute this is. This is such cute packaging. This one has a happy face. Look at that. So cute. Okay, this is for the storage.
And you get to cut this.
Cut it?
Yeah, look.
Oh, that's fun. Okay. So this is
And this is the guy. And look, you can
There's a lot of...
And guess what? You can make a puzzle.
Oh.
There's a lot of stuff you can do.
This is really cute packaging. I really like this one. Even the hammer is so cute. Okay, let's see which doll did we get.
Wait. We're gonna get this one, or this one, or this one.
I don't know. They're all so cute.
Look at this.
I like this one and this one.
Now look, the Maya bun.
Yeah, this one has it too. And this one has it too.
Look.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. I can't wait. I like these. Look at this.
Okay. So it's start with the super little one. It's her hair.
Oh no, it's her top. That's cute. Let me see. It's soft.
I think we're gonna get this one.
Maybe. Okay, what's next?
Let's open this one. It's a bottom. Look, you get to build it. It's building graphics, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's put it onto the fire. This.
I heard a rip.
This is her hair. Other piece.
Oh, cute. Okay, yeah, I want to put the beads in there first, and then we can make the necklace.
Because we put only the beads. This looks like the marshmallow.
Mm-hmm. Oh! Can you get it?
This is her.
She went flying.
Here she is. She has a lot of stuff. And this is, everything was my favorite, but including this was my almost favorite because you could do everything.
Okay, so put her together.
Okay, what you want me to do first?
Her body.
She's a ballerina. And you could take it off, and she has this kind of hair. Which hair do you like, a gumball machine or
Mhm.
this?
Well, we have to see the gumball first. So...
These are just going away. we got. And then you look. Okay.
Then you have to close it real fast
Why?
so that they won't. Or maybe we could just put it in one. And
One
then
is
you-
running. Oh.
And then you close it. Wait. Oh.
Can I try? Put it on her.
So that's it.
Which one do you like? Which one do you like better?
I like this was really good. That was fun.